Hey everyone, this is Aruna Gopal. In this video, I'm here to talk to you about Khan Academy, a free online learning platform that has been changing the face of education. Khan Academy was founded by Salman Khan. No, not our Indian actor. He is a former hedge fund analyst with the aim of providing free world-class education to anyone, anywhere. This platform offers a wide range of subjects including math, science, computer science, English, especially grammar, humanities, and even test preparation like international SAT, ACT, and so on. Khan Academy, with more than 10,000 videos, interactive exercises, and articles. There is something for everyone on Khan Academy. But a question. What really sets Khan Academy apart? Is its focus on personalized learning? Yes, of course. The platform uses data and analytics to track students' progress and adjust the difficulty of the material accordingly. This way, students can learn on their own pace and in their own style without being held back by one size fits all curriculum. And the results speak for themselves, of course. Millions of students from all the world have using Khan Academy to improve their grades, prepare for exams, and pursue their passions. And best of all, it's completely free. So, whether you are a student, a teacher, or just someone looking to learn something new, I highly recommend checking out Khan Academy. Trust me, you won't regret it. I'm using this in my teaching as well as learning for the past 5 years. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. And as always, keep learning. Thank you so much.